My name is Mary Kay Pyles. I'm a retired educator. When I first came in here, I came because I had great difficulty turning my head. I could turn it maybe this far and that was it, without pain. And I had been to chiropractors previously, and they did help for a while, but it kept coming back. I would have a hard time moving my head. I could move it to the right, but not to the left. And one of the main reasons this bothered me was that I had difficulty when I was driving. I couldn't see who was in my blind spot. I would go to turn my head and it wasn't turning. So I thought, well, this is not real safe. So I happened to see a notice about ARC when I was at the fitness center. And so I went to the presentation, and after the presentation I decided to come and give it a try. When I came, the treatment plan that was used for me was really three-pronged. One was the actual physical adjustments by Jerry, and then I had the acupuncture by Dr. Yoko, and then the physical therapy, the exercises. I had that also with Rebecca and Rick. And what I liked about it was it wasn't just a one-part deal. It was kind of treating the whole me, and I liked that.
Sure.
Well, I'm a skeptical person, and after the first treatment I thought, well, this might work, or it might not work, but we'll see. But I did feel better when I could move my head a little bit with given the exercises. And so I went home and I practiced the exercises, and daggone, next day I could move my neck, I could move my head. And so they taught me more exercises, and I did those, and they did more adjustments, and that helped, and they did more acupuncture, and that helped, and so now I can actually move my head all the way. I noticed a difference in the pain relief after just the first couple times, but I noticed a big difference after 3 or 4 times. I could just, as long as I kept doing what they told me to do, it was making a big difference. If I didn't do the exercises, then I could be stiff if I wanted to, but I didn't choose that.
No.
My pain level when I first came in was probably 7.5 to 8. It just hurt to move. In fact, I would move my head a little bit and then move a little bit further. But probably now it's 0 to 0.5. It's just, I have very little pain now. I could do things, I could do almost everything, but I did it with pain. My shoulders were hurting, my neck was hurting, obviously my head was hurting when I couldn't turn. So I can do all of those things now. I'm a pretty active person. I go to the fitness center, I work in the yard, and I stay active, but I was being active with pain. And it's so much nicer to be active without it. When I went through the detoxification program, what that helped me with, and I was really surprised to see that, it helped me, I can sleep better. I don't have to use strips on my nose to help me breathe, and I can just breathe a lot better at night, and I sleep better. So that was a big thing for me, because I can just fall asleep, and that was scary. Oh, the staff is wonderful. Every one of them knows what they're doing. They're very helpful. They explain to me what they're doing. They explain to me why they're doing it and why I should do what I need to do. And the staff has been wonderful. I couldn't ask for better. I would refer anybody here who said they needed experiencing pains, I would definitely refer